If you ride in wet conditions, waterproofing your electronics is one of the smartest upgrades you can do. In this video, I'm installing RoadRunner's AquaGuard and walking through the process step by step. AquaGuard is designed to protect electronic components from moisture. While this kit is made for scooters, the same process works for many other electronic devices. Before starting, let's go over what's included. The kit comes with the AquaGuard waterproofing solution, a Step 2 bottle for sensitive components, gloves, alcohol pads for cleaning, and a heat gun for curing. You'll also need a 3mm hex tool. This is not included. Start by powering the scooter completely off and removing the deck so you can access the electronics. Unplug and remove the battery. Then, with a 3mm hex tool, remove the 2 screws to remove the electronics access panel. Take a moment to locate the main components, wiring, and connectors. Use the alcohol pads to clean all circuit boards, connectors, and cable ends. Make sure everything is free of dirt and fully dry before applying AquaGuard. Begin by spraying a thin, even layer on all electrical connections. For cable connections, unplug them when possible and coat both sides of each connector. Open the light module and spray inside to protect the internal components. Then, move to the speed controller and spray all of its connections thoroughly. Use bottle 1 to spray the horn as well. Once everything is coated, cure the treated areas using the heat gun for 3 to 5 minutes at a temperature between 80 and 100 degrees Celsius. Keep the heat moving and avoid holding it in one spot. Give the Step 2 bottle a good shake before applying. Use it only on the display and the handlebar control module, making sure the entire surface is evenly covered. Do not apply heat to any parts treated with the Step 2 bottle. Allow those areas to air dry naturally. After curing is complete, reassemble the scooter and secure the deck. Power the scooter on and test all functions, including the display, lights, throttle, and horn. That's it. With a quick DIY install, your scooter now has added IP67 rated protection against water, rain, and mud, giving you more confidence in real-world riding conditions.